Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Boss from Home. On Fridays, we love to talk about how you can get started building your very own online business from home, setting your own schedule, having freedom and autonomy, practically being the boss of your own time and your income. So this is all to help you hit those financial goals, whether you want to save, invest. This is going to be extremely helpful to you. These series that we do every Friday, I try my best to keep them up so that we can remain consistent and ultimately get enough information, all of the tools and resources needed to hit the ground running when it comes to starting a business at home. I want to show you that it is absolutely possible today in today's crazy, hectic world. So if you're interested in learning how in the world you can make money at home, setting your own schedule, and earning a decent income, but today we're going to talk more about it. So let's get into it. So you guys know almost every Friday we come here and we talk about Printify and how we can use Printify to earn more money from home. But what is Printify? So simply put, Printify is a print-on-demand platform, which ultimately means that you can create custom products without having to buy or even store any inventory in your home. You can simply design the product, and then when someone buys that product, Printify prints that product, packages it, and ships it all for you. So you don't have to touch any of the products at all. They do it for you. So let me show you their website so you can get a feel for it and understand how to navigate it. So Printify offers tons of product options, everything from apparel like t-shirts, hoodies, and leggings, all the way to accessories like phone cases, bags, hats, and even home goods like mugs and wall art. And so this makes it super flexible no matter what niche that you want to target, whether it's fitness apparel or pet lovers, or you want to print funny quotes on mugs. Printify will connect with your online store, whether that would be through Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce, or any others. You can sell directly to your customers, and Printify will handle all of the rest. Now, how does this all work? So let's go through the process step by step. So step one, you will create an account on Printify, and it's easy and free to get started. Step two will be choosing a product from their catalog. Like for example, let's pick a t-shirt. Now you will upload your custom design or create one right there using Printify's design tool. You can simply add text, images, or even graphics straight from their website. Then the next step will be setting your price. So Printify will show you the base cost, and then you can decide how much profit that you want to earn from that product. Now you will publish your product to your online store. So now when a customer buys your shirt, Printify automatically gets that order, they print it, they pack it, and ship it straight to the customer's door. And so you don't have to do anything else at all. They do it all for you. So Printify works with a huge network of print providers all across the world, which ultimately helps you to reduce shipping times and also at times can let you choose where your product is made. So here are some of the biggest benefits of using Printify for your store. Number one, no upfront costs or inventory risk. So you only pay when a product sells, no wasted funds. They also have a huge variety of products to choose from t-shirts, mugs, wall art. You can easily connect your Shopify, your Etsy, and WooCommerce stores. And they have a huge global print partner base where customers can get faster shipping. Also, their user-friendly platform with their mock-up generators and their design tools helps you to understand what your product looks like so that you know exactly what your customers are getting. And it's scalable. You can add more, products as your store grows, and you can continue growing your income in that way. So of course, no platform is perfect. Here are some of the challenges that you might face with Printify. Like number one, print quality might vary depending on the print provider that you choose. So it's really important that you do your research. Shipping times might also vary. Some providers ship faster than others, and their product margins can be thin because of the base print costs. And last but not least, customer service is handled by Printify, But since you are the seller, you will need to manage the communication in that way. But you don't have to worry because you can manage these things by ordering samples, testing out different providers to see which one you like, and setting clear shipping expectations with your customers. So if you're ready to get started, here is what I recommend for your success. Like, number one, choosing your niche carefully. Focus on the target audience, the people you want to reach, like pet lovers or gamers, maybe even fitness enthusiasts. Then create great designs. You can use free tools like Canva or even hire out an affordable designer on Fiverr if you're not 100% confident in your design skills. And then set your prices strategically. You want to make sure you're covering your costs and leaving room for profit, but you also want to stay competitive. And then create your store. And it's optional, but you can use social media to market your products and get them in front of a certain audience base. And you do want to order samples to test out the quality to make sure that this quality is to your standard before reaching the customer's door. But before we wrap up, I want to talk about a few quick success stories. Okay, so let's take a look at this seller here who is making over $8,000 on this simple and easy top that anyone can create. She has sold over 300 of these shirts. And let's take a look at this one here. An easy design for teachers, sold over 700 of these, and this person is making over $15,000 for this very easy, simple creation. This is one of my favorite shops here, and they're making almost $50,000 on this very simple and easy printed style happy first day of school. The key here is consistent marketing, good design, and testing out your products. So I'm so excited that Printify have given me the opportunity to share this exciting opportunity with you because the possibilities are endless. You can also create customized socks, sneakers, bathing suits, tote bags. There are so many different things that you can do as you are looking to open up your online store. So I encourage you to go on, have fun, roam the website, and see what unique item you can bring online to start selling today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. Have fun creating, happy creating, and I will see you in the next video.